Later, Sir Topham Hatt spoke to Thomas. I want you to go to the docks to pick up new coaches. New coaches? But, sir... Really useful engines don't argue, said Sir Topham Hatt. Thomas didn't want new coaches. He wanted Annie and Clarabelle back. When Oliver saw Emily return to the yards, he was surprised. Those are Thomas's coaches. So that's why he looked cross, exclaimed Emily. I'll go and apologize. Don't want new coaches, chuffed Thomas. Later, Emily was still looking for Thomas when a signalman flagged her down. Oliver Hazard cleared his signal box, he told Emily's driver. Please go and see what's wrong.